The training season is in full swing, and the Browns players are already making noise at OTAs. If I tell you that we already have some stars starting to shine and some names are standing out on the field. Hey, Browns fans, get ready for some hot news. The Cleveland Browns OTAs are heating up, and there's a new player shining and putting on a show in training. Don't want to miss any details about the Browns? Then come join our fan community, sign up now, and show your support with that respectful like. The first practices of this week started on Tuesday, and we've already seen a lot of good things happening. And the best part is that the training season is just beginning, with more sessions scheduled for the end of May. Let's take a look at the 4 players who are already stealing the show and promising to shake up the season. Do you remember the rookie minicamp? Jamari Thrash, the 5th-round pick from Louisville, has already begun to show what he's made of. During practice, he wasted no time in impressing. Former All-Pro player Steve Smith had already noticed Thrash's potential, and now he's confirming it all in OTAs. Thrash made some impressive deep plays and, in one of them, managed an incredible reception after a pass from Jameis Winston. He showed the speed and separation ability that got him into the NFL. Thrash is determined to secure his spot on the team, even if it means competing with David Bell for the final wide receiver position. Moreover, Thrash is willing to do whatever it takes to get into the team. He mentioned that he might even return kicks, something he hasn't done since high school, but he's ready to take on. The more he can contribute, the greater his chances of making the final 53-man roster. Next up, we have the standout Nathaniel Watson, who came in strong at the rookie minicamp and already impressed with his size and presence. Weighing in at 106 kilograms at the NFL Combine, he looked even bigger in Berea, which could be an advantage for the Browns' defense. Watson is an excellent run defender and also a standout pass rusher, with 21 sacks in the last 3 seasons at Mississippi State. But what really caught the eye was his performance in pass coverage. On Wednesday, Watson intercepted a pass from Tyler Huntley and ran to the sideline to celebrate, bringing a lot of energy to the defense. This is exactly what defensive coordinator Jim Schwartz wants to see, a defense that celebrates every play with intensity and pride. If Watson keeps playing well in pass coverage, he could establish himself as a key piece for the Browns' defense. One of the newest members of the Browns, Jerry Jeudy, is already showing his worth. During this week's practices, he stood out for his versatility and the plays he made. Spencer German, from the Browns Digest, mentioned that Jeudy was everywhere on the field, lining up in different positions and even taking repetitions in the backfield. This is reminiscent of what the Browns tried to do with Elijah Moore last year, but with Jeudy, there's a feeling that it might work. Jeudy is a talented receiver and seems ready to become a hybrid weapon that the team was looking for. Although he received unfair criticism in Denver, Jeudy has the potential to be a key piece in the Browns' offense, especially with his ability to play in various positions and contribute in different ways. And of course, we can't forget Jameis Winston. With Deshaun Watson resting his shoulder after surgery, Winston had the opportunity to showcase his talent in practice. And he didn't disappoint. Winston, the first overall pick in 2015, looked calm and confident, distributing the ball accurately and showing good command of the offense. Winston's signing this offseason sparked some discussions, but he's already proving to be a good addition to the team. Winston replaces Joe Flacco, who had a great performance last year, leading the Browns to the playoffs. But watching Winston in action, it's easy to believe that the backup quarterback position is in good hands. The early practices showed that he could be an important piece for the team, bringing experience and talent to the offense. So, my friend, let's keep an eye on these players who are setting OTAs on fire. These athletes not only bring exceptional skills to the field, but also inspire and motivate the entire team to achieve success. With their determination and talent, they are shaping the future of the Browns in truly extraordinary ways. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of the 4 mentioned players do you believe will have the biggest impact this season? Share your opinion in the comments along with the phrase "Go Browns!" And don't forget to join our fan community to receive all the Browns updates firsthand. Turn on notifications and be part of this incredible journey towards victory. Go Browns!